Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. I hope you all would be having a great day. Well, have you ever wondered what is color correction in makeup? Yes, we're gonna talk about it today. But before I start, make sure you have subscribed and hit the bell icon of my channel to get the updates from my channel. So what is color correction in makeup? It is actually neutralizing the decoloration on your skin tone, or you can say it's an instant toner before your makeup. Well, it works according to the color wheel, where red color comes opposite to green, orange comes opposite to blue, and yellow comes opposite to purple. So what actually color correction does is we use several colors to overlap some underlying pigments so that we have a neutral appearance as a whole. So for this purpose, we use red color to cover green areas or green color to cover red areas. Most probably you're gonna have a blemish due to a pimple or something, so it's gonna be red. So you will have to use green color to overlap that red color to neutralize the appearance. I hope you got it. In similar way, we use orange to cover blue and yellow to cover purple. So it's this color correction method is kind of part of the priming process that you do before you apply your foundation, so that you have an even toned foundation without any uneven or unwanted tones. I usually use this NYX color cream correcting palette to cover those areas. As you can see, it has green, yellow, purple, and these tones of brown and this kind of pinkish, or you can say reddish color. So if your skin is dull under the eyes, you can brighten it up with applying the yellow color. In most of the cases, you have those purple veins you can see under your eyes, so that to reduce that purple color, you use the yellow color to neutralize it. In similar way, to reduce the blemish due to pimples or something, you use the green color. And to minimize the, what do we call it, appearance of yellow tones, you use this purple color. These are neutrals. These three colors are neutrals. They are universal colors, like you can use them to overlap any of the untoned areas, and they will tone them out. So it's better to use like these colors instead of going into these other colors. You know what I mean. So here we are, and yeah, this dark brown color, it's not very dark, so if you have a fair complexion, you can even use it to contour your areas, to contour certain areas. And you can use yellow to highlight the areas where you want, like the cheekbones or the chin or the area above the lips, the nose, and your forehead. Well, there's another simpler technique to color correct, and that is to use a red or a maroon lipstick. What it does is it covers your dull areas and gives its saturation back to it, so that when you apply the foundation, you have an even toned face. I hope you understood what I wanted to deliver in today's video, but if you didn't, do comment and I'll explain it to you there, or maybe in another video if I get more questions about it. In some of my coming makeup videos, I'll even explain it practically so you get a better understanding of the color correction. So stay tuned. I hope you liked today's video. Take care. Bye.